In this question, different samples of helium atoms are given. We have to find out the sample which containing highest number of helium atoms. In order to find out the number of helium atoms, we need to know the number of moles present in each of the samples. In order to find out the number of moles, we have several equations. If mass of the substance is given, the number of moles will be equal to the mass divided by molar mass. At the same time, in case of gaseous substances, if volume is given, the number of moles will be equal to the volume divided by molar volume. Molar volume at STP is 22.4 liter. After finding out the number of moles, we can find out the number of atoms by multiplying the number of moles with Avogadro number, because 1 mole of every substance is containing Avogadro number of particles. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is 4 gram of helium. Here mass is given, so we can find out the number of moles by dividing the mass with molar mass of helium. Molar mass of helium is 4, so the number of moles will be 1 mole. Now the number of helium atoms will be 1 into Avogadro number. The second one is 2.271098 liter helium at STP. Here volume is given, so we can find out the number of moles by dividing with molar volume at STP. So it will be 0.101 mole. Now the number of atoms will be equal to the number of moles multiplied by the Avogadro number. And the third one, it is given that 4 moles of helium. So no need to find out the number of moles. We can directly multiply with Avogadro number to find out the number of atoms. So it will be 4Na. And the last one is 4 unit of helium. So it will be equal to 1 helium atom. So from these samples we can see the highest number of atoms are present in 4 mole of helium. So option C is the correct answer.